video cut out this. This is a 2018 spare key on the Ford Fiesta. So automatic selection, read. We'll press the start stop button, wake the car up. Read. Okay. So it's a smart key. Yes, that's our vehicle. So the image state scan. So as you can see there, the time is 12:07. Quite a few faults. So we'll clear these faults. We're going to go add key. Start. Network connection, so we are connected to the internet, and it's normal that the instrument panel will go dark. Yes, yes. The alarm is not active. So please wait for 2 minutes. So we'll just wait and let the machine do what it does. There's the van, the Butte. Whoop, whoop. So this is the 2018 spare key Ford Fiesta. So after 2 minutes, this is then what's came up. The clocks are still dark. Oh, they've just lit up now. And see the time is 12:09. So there's 2 keys already to the vehicle. So we just need to find the slot, which is that key there. So it's saying insert the smart key to land into the slot. So this is the new key with our keyring on. So we'll put the key there. We'll press OK. So the indicators are going, the door's locked. Learned keys 3. Do you want to learn the next key? No. So we'll escape out of this. And the central locking in this new key should be automatic. So we'll switch off the ignition. Unlock. And the customer's working key as well. So that's a spare key on a 2018 Ford Fiesta using Autel connected to the internet.